Zel-am-see. Just the name sounds magical, doesn't it? This Austrian gem, nestled by a shimmering lake and guarded by majestic mountains, is simply stunning. In summer, Zell-am-see bursts with life. The snow melts to reveal lush greenery. Wildflowers bloom in meadows. The air is fresh and inviting. Forget the ski slopes. Summer is when Zell-am-see truly shines. Whether you're a hiker, a history buff, or just someone who appreciates beauty, Zell-am-see has something for you. You can wander through charming streets, soak up history, or lose yourself in nature. There's a sense of wonder here. It's a place to reconnect with yourself and experience the simple joys of travel. So join me as we explore Zell-am-see in the summer. Discover its secrets, its beauty, and its charm. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. No trip to Zell-am-see is complete without a stroll through the Old Town. Admire the colourful buildings, discover quaint shops and cafes, feel the history echoing through the cobblestone streets. This is where you'll find the heart of Zell-am-see. Another must-see is the iconic St. Hippolyte Church. This 16th century church stands on a hill overlooking the lake. Climb the tower for breathtaking panoramic views. Inside, you'll discover beautiful frescoes and a peaceful atmosphere. Finally, no visit is complete without a trip to Lake Zell. This pristine lake is perfect for swimming, boating, or just relaxing by the shore. Take a ferry across the lake and admire the towering mountains. Feel the cool breeze on your face. It's a truly unforgettable experience. Zell-am-see is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking is a must. Numerous trails wind through the surrounding mountains, offering stunning views. For a challenge, hike up the Schmittenhohe mountain. The panoramic views from the summit are worth every step. For a more relaxing experience, take a boat trip on Lake Zell. Rent a rowboat or kayak and explore the lake at your own pace. Or hop on a ferry and enjoy the scenery. You can even swim in the crystal-clear water. If you're interested in history, visit the Vogturm. This medieval tower once guarded the town. Today it houses a fascinating museum. Learn about the history of Zell-am-see and its people.